Hey guys! Today we're going to show you how to make this reusable lunch sack. Welcome to the Sailrite workbench. This is our reusable lunch sack DIY. Yes, I know what you're thinking. Most lunch sacks are reusable, but this one is modeled after a brown paper bag. It's like going on a field trip every day. First, we are going to make two rectangles 16 by 13 inches. To make this easier, we are going to layer 2 pieces of Durawax so that we only have to cut once. We will start by marking the shape with our scratch awl. Then we will cut it out with our rotary cutter. Next, clip both 16-inch sides and then clip only one of the 13-inch sides. Now sew all 3 clipped sides together, leaving the one that has no clips unsewn. Once the 3 sides are sewn, pull the middle on each opposite side to fold it in half where the seams are on top of each other, creating a point at each end. Next, measure 2 inches from the pointed end and cut it off using scissors. Then sew each end individually and don't forget to backstitch. At this point, you can turn the bag right side out. We are going to crease the edge of each corner with the Sailrite canvas patterning ruler, but you can use any flat surface to do so. I like to roll the bag up, but you can fold it or do whatever you like best. The last step of this project is to fill it with your PB&J sandwich or whatever your favorite nostalgic snacks are. Make sure you follow us on Instagram and tag us if you make one yourself. All materials and tools are linked in the description below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.